Welcome back, everybody. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. The holidays are upon us, and I'm all about those Thanksgiving side dishes. In fact, I just did a video today making my famous maple glazed green beans, a Facebook Live. I love doing sage sausage stuffing, but this year I've developed a brand new recipe, and I call it bacon fried squash. Let's give it a try. So come on over here to the ingredient table. This is what we have today. We have bacon, we have green bell pepper, we have brown sugar, we have salt, and of course yellow squash or summer squash. Come over here to my griddle. This just happens to be the brand new Blackstone 28-inch air fryer combo. That's a Walmart exclusive. We're not going to use the air fryer today, but we are going to use the griddle top. But I wanted to show it off, so come on over here. We are around medium heat or so, so come on into the griddle top, Kim, and let me grab my bacon over here. Bacon. I'm not sure when this video will air. You definitely want to tune in and get your flyer for the Walmart Black Friday specials this year. It's a killer deal. My yellow squash, my summer squash, if you will. That's the main part of the dish. And of course my green bell pepper. You could use red if you want to. You know, maybe you're closer to Christmas and you want to incorporate red. All I would need to do is squirt a little water here underneath here and close the hood to generate some steam. Or if you don't have a hood, you can just use the good old-fashioned Blackstone basting cover like so. Put it on there for like 30-45 seconds. And that'll get that stuff cooking really quickly. Our brand new hoodies and shirts. So our graphic artists have designed all kind of cool stuff, right? You can get Blackstone hats at blackstoneproducts.com, but they've also created lots of cool of these one-off type of designs. They've got Toven Zone, they've got Let's Give It a Try, and actually, if you come over here, my wife Kim, it isn't the best lighting right now, but there she is, that's Kim. But you can buy these at Teespring, so go to Teespring, come on here to the bacon, everything's burning now, and we're immediately going to mix these in here. Go to teespring.com, type in Blackstone Products, and you can get all the great new Blackstone designs. And we're going to put a little bit of brown sugar in there, so some brown sugar. And we're going to mix this up. This is going to caramelize. A pre-meal bite is what the kids call this. Perfect. Okay, come on in. Hopefully it looks as good on camera. Take a look at that. Let me just try to get some still shots of that side dish right there. And perfect. All right, let's go back to it. We'll do one more. Take a look at that. Look at the steam coming off that side dish. I'm kind of weird about forks. I'm freaking out right now. There's like a little baby fork. I like big forks. Big forks, a big mouth, big spoon, big mouth. So let's get on in there. Let's get some of that bacon. Let's give it a try. Right there. Mmm. Summer squash by itself, very mild. Tastes like a cucumber. Like somebody sucked all the flavor out of a cucumber, right? If you eat it by itself. So you have to have salt on there. And it comes to life. It's so delicious. Oh my goodness. So we call this bacon fried squash. Perfect side dish for Thanksgiving, for all of your holidays. Friends, there's recipes like this and a whole ton more. BlackstoneProducts.com. Got recipes from all the Blackstone cooks. We have videos airing all the time. Hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful that you're watching. Blackstone's thankful for you. We're thankful for Griddle Nation and all the Blackstone fans out there. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the bacon fried squash.